Good morning, grade 11. Hope all are okay. I'm your math teacher, Wissam Sharafi. Today, our lesson is about also numerical sequence. But today we are going to solve exercises. For example, number 1, given the sum of three consecutive terms of arithmetic sequence 21 and their product is 315. Find these terms. Being arithmetic sequence, we know that if the terms are A, B, and C consecutive, then B is A plus D. At the same time, B is C minus D. If you add side by side, you will end up with B plus B equals A plus C, which means A plus C equals 2B. Knowing that the sum of the three terms is 21, we end up with a system A plus C equals 2B, as we said, and A plus B plus C equals 21, which leads us 3B equals 21, then B is 7. Knowing B, A plus C will be 14, which is 2B, and their product is 315. A, B, C equal 315, divide by B, which is 7, you end up with 45. I have the sum of two numbers, 14. I have the product, 45. Change it to a quadratic trinomial, x squared minus sx plus b equals 0. Find the roots that are 9 and 5. So if A is 5, B is 7, then C is 9. Or if A is 9, B is 7, and C is 5. Second example, let UN be a sequence defined by UN equal 3n plus 4 over n plus 2. Part A, show that the sequence is increasing. As we said earlier, to prove a sequence increasing is to find the difference between any two consecutive terms. For example, UN plus 1 minus UN. UN plus 1 you substitute for n plus 1. You will end up with 3 into n plus 1 plus 4 over n plus 1 plus 2 minus un, which is given 3n plus 4 over n plus 2. Simplify, common denominator, you end up with 3 over n plus 3 into n plus 2. n plus 3 into n plus 2 is positive because n is a natural integer and 3 is positive, so the ratio is positive, which means that the difference is greater than 0. Then we deduce un is increasing. Part B, prove that un less than 3 for all values of n. To prove un less than 3, we should find the difference between un and 3. un minus 3 is equal 3n plus 4 over n plus 2 minus 3. Common denominator and simplify, you end up with minus 2 over n plus 2, which is negative because n plus 2 is greater than 0. Then we deduce that the difference is negative, which means un less than 3. Part C, we'd like to find the limit as an approach of infinity of un. It's similar to that of a function. You take in the numerator the highest degree is 1. You take 3n common factor. In the denominator, you take n common factor. You find the limit. It is 3. Example number 3. There is a sequence u0 equal minus 4 and un plus 1 equals minus 3 over 4 un plus 7 over 12. Vn is a geometric sequence with a common ratio minus 3 over 4 and Vn, which is un minus a. Calculate a. The solution is, you know that Vn equals un minus a given. So Vn plus 1 is Rvn because it's a geometric sequence. Vn plus 1 equal Rvn. Un plus 1 minus a substitute for Vn plus 1, Un plus 1 minus A equal R Vn. Instead of Vn, you put Un minus A. So, starting with Vn plus 1 equals RVn, consecutive terms of a geometric sequence, substituting for Vn plus 1 its value and Vn its value, substitute for Un plus 1 its value, and you simplify, you end up with identical terms. Minus 3 over 4 Un is identical to minus 3 over 4 Un, and 7 over 12 minus A is identical to 3 over 4A. Solving for A, you will end up with A equals 1 over 3. You should apply. We gave you an example, a sequence Un defined by U0 and Un plus 1. First, calculate U1 and U2. Deduce that the sequence is neither nor. Second, let Vn be a sequence defined by Un plus 3. Show that it is geometric, and so on. Hope all are okay and understood. Wish to meet you next time. Bye-bye.